Hey everyone, today I'm going to compare Shopify and Wix to help you decide which platform makes more sense for your website or online store. Both platforms let you build a website without coding, but they focus on different needs. So Wix gives you a flexible drag and drop editor, templates, blogging, booking tools, marketing features, and e-commerce options. Shopify is built mainly for selling with product management, inventory checkout, payments, shipping, analytics, multi channel selling, and a large app ecosystem. For design, Wix is usually the easier choice, especially if you want more freedom over how each page looks. Shopify is still beginner friendly, but its main advantage is the deeper set of tools made specifically for running and growing an online store. Pricing depends on your location, billing period, and plan. Wix has a free website option, but accepting payments requires an e-commerce capable paid plan. Shopify is mainly a paid commerce platform, and costs can rise if you add paid apps or use certain payment options. So, looking at user feedback, Wix users often praise its easy editor and design flexibility, while some mention limits with advanced features, support, or billing. Shopify users commonly like its simple store management, checkout, and integrations, but extra app costs are a frequent complaint. So, which should you choose? If you mainly need a business, portfolio service, or smaller store website, Wix may be enough. If selling products is your main goal and you expect the store to grow, Shopify is generally the stronger option. Both are worth considering, but the better choice depends on your budget and e commerce needs. Thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I will see you on the next video.